welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker, aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week, we're gonna bring you a classic. We're gonna teach you how to make a classic gin fizz. Let's jump right into it. Let's go with the ingredients that it takes to make a classic gin fizz. We have gin, club soda, sugar, and lemon. We got our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. We're gonna make this cocktail over ice in a shaker tin. So we're gonna put an ounce of gin. We're gonna put a teaspoon of sugar. And we have fresh lemon. We're gonna just squeeze in here. And now it's shaking. We have our content shaking. We're just gonna transport it to our glass. From here, we're gonna add club soda to top this off. Now, let's garnish our cocktail. To garnish our cocktail, we're gonna use a lemon wheel, and we have sugar on the rim of the glass. And that's how you make the classic gin fizz. Thank you again for tuning into another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.